The Mini Rhymes TV.
Hello little friends, let's sing and dance with juicy fruits today. Let's go! Apple red, shiny and sweet, a crunchy snack I love to eat. One a day keeps doctors away. I munch on apples every day. Bananas yellow, long and bright, soft and mushy, such a delight. Monkeys love them, I do too. Peel and eat, it's good for you. Orange round with juicy fun, tastes so good in the morning sun. Full of vitamin C, so high. Eat an orange, feel you fly. Mango yellow, soft and sweet, summer's treat I love to eat. King of fruits, so juicy and cool, a mango slice is such a jewel. Watermelon, big and green, juicy red with seeds between. Slice it up, it's so much fun, cool and fresh in summer sun. Grapes in branches, purple and small, sweet or sour, I like them all. Pop one in, yum yum yum, tastes so good on my tongue. Fruits are tasty, fruits are bright, they keep us strong with every bite. Eat them fresh, don't delay, say hooray for fruits today. Yay, very good. Thanks for joining Fruit Friends. See you again. Until next time.